we are with a G87 M2 install. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be coming in through this area. You're going to be twisting at an angle, coming in. We're going to be rotating it and kind of bending it using both of our hands here. And on this side, kind of walking it in, being careful not to touch the bodywork and not to grab anything. It's going to want to grab areas. Coming in on an angle, walking it in. And we put little cable ties in here just to give little handles. Back here. And what we're going to be utilizing are these rubber pieces here. We're going to be pushing in and we're going to be sliding the sides into these rubber pieces, and then we're going to be putting the grill up into this small cavity and then getting in front of this rubber piece right here. The one side in. Pull that side. So we've gotten that up into the cavity here on this one end, and then we're going to be bringing it forward and down, getting in front of this rubber. In the corner, watch out for the corner, try to get in front of that rubber. And then we're going to be trying to slide it this way behind this bar here. We're going to slide it slightly that way, and you keep sliding that way, which is going to help us get the other side in. And then we're going to work this top into that space right there, and work the top into this corner first, and then we're going to be pushing that rubber out of the way to get that front piece forward, and then we'll bring it down. We'll bring this forward and down, and then we'll slide over to the left and down, utilizing these. And then get it centered, pull down, and then we'll do final securing with cable tie. Now we're just clipping off our handles here, and then we'll do the final securing of the cable ties. We like to bend it into a V, and then bend it in again into a V. And then we'll stick that behind there and then grab the front end with a needle nose pliers. You can optionally put cable ties at the bottom if you'd like to create a little more strength here at the bottom, but we have pretty good strength all the way around here. So we have 2 cable ties up at the top, very invisible, and there you go.